So guys, today I'm gonna show you how this bot actually works. So we're gonna put it to the test today. It's a request from the comments. You guys wanna see it actually working and wanna see how fast it is, how it can sell in seconds. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we have an example right here. It's a 5 sold buy. After like 3 seconds, he sold for 6.6. After 2 snipers got in. So yeah, this is basically what the bot does. It detects any token in your wallet. Like after this buy, it detects your wallet, it detects this 5 soul buy, and sells it after 3 seconds, getting you some profits. So yeah, this is pretty cool one. 700 into 900. Yeah, pretty easy one. So yeah, let's do this. Anyways, all you gotta do is come to the seller bot. The link will be in the description below, and you gotta press start, then continue. You see here the first step is to import your private key of the wallet you're using as a dev and pump.fun. So the wallet you devin with, you gotta like import it to the bot so it can like detect the tokens and sell them in seconds. Anyways, second step is set how many seconds you wait before selling. Alright, so we can do that right here. And the third step is to activate the bot. Then the fourth step is to go dev with that wallet, deploy your new token. So I'm gonna set the time to 3 seconds. There we go. Wait time set to 3 seconds. I'm gonna import the wallet. I'm just gonna do it really fast. I just sent the private key. So yeah, successfully imported wallet. So basically the wallet is imported successfully, and all you have to do is set it to activated. So very basic stuff. Now we gotta put it to the test. So I've got this a random token that don't has a lot of transaction on it, so it can be like it can show right here. So I'm gonna copy the contract address and then gonna paste it here. Gonna do like test buy with a very little amount. So yeah, basically there we go. I just bought, and there we go. This is my buy. Check it out. Hold on. And it sold automatically in like 3 seconds. It works perfectly. I'm gonna check it. We bought at 52 second, at 56. Well, this is a 4 second, but yeah, it's like it can be sometimes like not that accurate, but it works perfectly. Let's try it again. Gonna go with and buy that. Can be a problem from Dex too, like it doesn't show, but I think it's accurate. So hold on, this is my boy. At there we go. This is 3 seconds. I bought at 39 second and sold at actually this is 2 seconds. So yeah, yeah. It's sometimes I think Dex is not showing it like accurately, but yeah, it sells really fast. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, we got it. Hold on. It's perfectly working. Yeah. This is basically how this happens. It happens in like 3 seconds, 2 seconds, something like that. So you go in and dev with, I don't know, about 4 soul. Snipers get in, and then you sell immediately. Because these snipers, they get in like as soon as you deploy that shit, you know? So you gotta be fast. This is why we're using this bot, basically. Um, so yeah, all you have to do is like go and dev with that same wallet, and yeah, check it out for yourself. Can get really profitable actually. This is a wallet I'm tracking. It did like 800k in less than 2 months. And yeah, this is like a really fresh method too, and I use it personally. It generates a lot of money. I'm telling you guys, like, I made like 5k in one day with this shit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.